To apply for Luxembourg visa in 2025, follow these steps. First of all, determine the type of visa you want, right? Choose between Schengen visa, short stay, or a national visa, long stay, based on your purpose. Tourism, work, study, whatever, right? Next, check the requirements, right? Visit the official Luxembourg consulate or embassy website for an up-to-date document requirements, right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna apply, right? And get started to apply online. Fill out the visa application from online or manually, okay? And next, gather some documents, okay? Common requirements include a valid passport, photos, proof of accommodations, financial means, travel insurance, and an invitation letter if applicable. Next, book an appointment. Schedule an appointment at the nearest Luxembourg consulate or visa application center, VFS Global, if available. Okay, and attend the interview, submit your application, provide biometrics if required, and answer any questions, and pay the fees. Visa fees vary by type and nationality, and monitor your application status and collect your passport once processed. Okay, processing times vary, so apply well in advance. For work or study, secure an authorization from Luxembourg's immigration authorities first. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.